Hi, so it was my first time today trying a holistic approach to therapy. I've tried talking therapy before, which of course can be useful because you're voicing your opinions and talking about things that you need to get out. But I also tried different techniques and I found them very useful. The one where I was lying down, it was super relaxing for me. It really brought peace, which in a busy lifestyle I don't often get. So I really appreciated that. And yeah, I'm excited to go into my journey more and uncover what more I can find out about myself and heal.
So guys, my name is Neerja Handa and I'm a Senior Therapist at Illuminations, and I bring to you a beautiful modality called MER, MindShift Emotive Reprogramming, where we reprogram your thoughts, we reprogram your perceptions, and we reprogram your emotions and bring the joy in your life that you have lost somewhere, either as a child or as an adult.